Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share something super special that I was working on. I wanted to make multiple ones, so I thought I'd share one with you right now. So this is a storybook playset. I always wanted to create a storybook that opens up and you can play, kind of like one of those pop-up books, but with more pieces. And they actually hold up. So I made it into a storybook that can be opened with a ribbon. And inside you have a floor that just lays down and you're ready to add furniture or little miniatures and decorate the walls however you like. I thought this was a really cool idea. So I did make some furniture to go with this set. This set will include everything that you see in here except for the doll. I made a little phone, some cookies, and one of the cookies does come off of the little pan. There is some extra accessories like another headband for the LOL doll. She's also wearing an outfit that I made and a little headband. And then I threw down a little fur rug. I made the milk look like it was spilling. I also made a tiny gingerbread house. That was super hard. There's also a stocking in the back that does open. And I threw up 2 pictures, nothing really cluttery because I wanted to be able to remove the items and make that optional. Also, she does have on a little apron that ties, very simple, just something quick to go with the little cookies and gingerbread house. And I made a little Christmas tree, there's a present, and I painted everything to kind of go with the red and green theme. And here's a quick look at the outside of the house again, and as you can see, it's like a storybook. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.